Well guys, yesterday we went out with the big boat, so it was nice to go out finally after getting it back. Everything went great, but we're going to do a bit of a giveaway for New Year's, Christmas time. It's going to be a bit late, but it's going to give some tackle away from a few of our mates in Tassie that make some tackle and sell it. So if you want to put a comment on this video, I don't know, maybe about what you want to see in the future or something like that, everybody that comments will go into the draw for a bit of a tackle pack. It's not going to be big, probably the value of under $100, or probably only just under, but no, we'll see how we go. So come along as we go off low ed in the big boat. So it's, yeah, good to finally get it out and all went great. Yeah, and finally catch my first Tamar River snapper, but I didn't get any footage of that because it was about bloody midnight. So, but I've got a photo in there. Righto, we'll catch you later on. Well, here we are. We've got the big boat out. So this is the first run after being fixed. Quick walkthrough. We got Garmin sounder and Garmin GPS. Lone Star anchor winch up the front. 225 Optimax on the back. And yeah, it's a Bertram hull, made by Channel Marine down in Hobart back in the day. I think they got told that they had to stop making them, and yeah, did a compressor for the oil setup. Yeah, hard top by real game boats and trailers, and also painted. So this is King Triton, and yeah, we'll go and see if we can't find something. We'll go see if we can find a kingfish or something first. And then I've got a bunch of burley down here, and we'll see if we can't get a mako quickly. We'll go and have a look anyway, go see what we can find. Is Karen. I'll see how we go. I'll come back to you. I just went to the fad. She's a bit quiet there. Then I went over to Heavy Reef. I got a few snook or pike and a mackerel. So I've got quite a bit of burley with me, so I might go out and see if I can find a mako. It's 18.3 degrees water temperature, so we'll go and have a look. Wind's dropping out tonight anyway, so we'll go out and see what we can find. But, not a bad day, but we're going to be bored. bed a fair way, about 65 metres of water, and we're just going to put a burley block out and we'll see if we can get a shark. I don't know, these burley, I used to make my own burley blocks, but I don't have time anymore, I can't get the stuff, so we'll see how we go. Hopefully something comes. It is late, it's 6:30 in the evening, but this weather's meant to drop right out. And we'll bottom bash if we can get some flathead and stuff while we're here, gummy sharks maybe, so yeah, we'll see how we go. I'll come back to you if we start getting anything. Got onto something pretty good here, I think it might be a gummy shark. Here we go. It is a gummy shark, it's a good one. On your own, I'll tell you what. Got him. Bloody mess these things. Yeah, it's nearly 90. Keep that one. Down into the ice. Oh, we got another fish. There's a bloody barren old spot out here. Small shark. That's a decent sized bloody spur dog, that one. You gotta be a bit careful. So it looks like a gummy. It's got a big spike right here on its dorsal fin. So it'll ruin your day, and it's got teeth too. So just be a bit careful. Gummy shark, head in, it's getting dark. 8:38, I might go see if I can find a spot near Brickmakers, see if we can find a snapper. I know it's tiny guys, but finally caught a Tamar River snapper. Bloody how good is that? Looks like I'm going to have to cut the hook off it, but pretty happy with that. Good stuff.